Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher Miss Amna Ashraf and today our topic is time. So today we will learn about different actions at a particular time, how to watch time on clock, what are the hands of the clock and how to write o'clock time. Let's discuss the importance of time. Time is playing an important role in our life. Like we get older as time passes. That means if you are 6-year-olds at this time, after 10 years you will be older than this time. We also schedule our work according to the time. Let's get know about the actions that we performed at different time. We get up at 7 o'clock. This is the first activity that we do. Then we eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. You can play at 9 o'clock and have lunch at 11 o'clock. So these are some actions that you perform in the day. Here is the page of your learner book, page 86. You have to answer these questions. Like I get up at, you have to write that time when you get up. And then you have to write the breakfast time. You then play time and then lunch time. Now let's talk about the clock. We will learn about clock, about the hands of clock and how to write o'clock time. Here I have a clock. You can see that this clock has numbers from 1 to 12. It also has two hands. One hand is long, one hand is short. Now I will explain you about the hands of the clock. The minute hand is the long hand. You can see over here, this is the minute hand. It points to 12 for an o'clock time. The hour hand is short and it points to the odd number. So can you tell me the time on this clock? As you can see that the hour hand is pointing towards 3 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So I can say that the time on this clock is 3 o'clock. The time on this clock is 3 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing towards 3 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So I will say that the time on this clock is 3 o'clock. You can also write the time in this format. Here I have some clocks. Let's find the time on the first clock. Can you tell me the time on the first clock? In the first clock, the short hand is pointing towards 1 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. That's why I can say that the time on this clock is 1 o'clock. Or you can also write it 1 o'clock. Now let's move towards the next clock and find the time on this clock. In this clock, the short hand is pointing towards 8 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. So my time on this clock is 8 o'clock. On this third clock, the short hand is pointing towards 10, the long hand is pointing towards 12. So I can say that my time is 10 o'clock. This is your skill builder page 20 and 21. This is given to you as your homework. You have to find the correct clock. Here is the question, join in with the rhyme. Circle the clock that match the words. In the first rhyme, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. In this rhyme, the clock struck 1. So over which clock the clock struck 1? On which clock the time is 1 o'clock? You have to find and then you have to circle the correct clock. Your lesson has been ended here. Inshallah we will meet again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.